Get right to the stock exchange with Jacalyn Cow. So the world's biggest rubber glove maker reporting earnings today.
And it's their best one yet. Look at their earnings. We have a graphic here. There's clearly momentum in their earnings in 1 year, 103.1 million ringgit in their fourth quarter. Clearly there's momentum. If you compare year on year, it has surged more than nearly 125%. Results for the fourth quarter and the full year 2015 is at a record high for the company. Not only earnings so, but the group also saw a boost in sales revenue. In the fourth quarter, sales of more than 700 million ringgit was 22% higher to the previous year. That's good news. But the icing on the cake is that for the year 2015, the full year, Top Glove achieved its highest sales revenue of 2.5 billion ringgit. So record high earnings and sales revenue. Clearly the company is doing something right with a strong US dollar and weaker raw material prices giving a boost to their result performances.
A lot of it has to do with the way they've managed their cost efficiencies. They've embraced automation. So given what we've seen here, what's the outlook?
The company is not planning to rest on its laurels. Due to strong demand, Top Glove is building new facilities in order to pursue capacity expansion. Their latest factory will start production in February next year in Port Dickson. With these new factories that we're looking on at the screen, Top Glove will be able to produce an additional 7.8 billion pieces of gloves per annum. Apart from new factory lines, as part of an organic expansion process, the company said that it's also keen to pursue M&A opportunities in order to synergize its current business.
Now, Jackie, Top Glove doesn't usually announce a dividend, but it did so this time.
Right. This year, for its interim dividend to shareholders, the company has given out 8 cents and is proposing another 12 cents as a final dividend. So if the proposed final dividend gets passed through in the AGM, then it would be the highest dividend yet to shareholders since 2001, 20 cents. On top of that, Top Glove is also proposing a 1-for-1 bonus issue to its shareholders. So it's basically a deal sweetener there.
All right, so what are analysts saying about this?
Well, Maybank Research in its preview report of the company's results yesterday expected the company to post earnings of 78 to 82 million ringgit. So Top Glove clearly surpassed that with results of 103 million ringgit. Maybank Research maintained a buy call on the company with a target price of 9 ringgit and 10 cents a share. So looking at how Top Glove closed today, we can see an upside of nearly 8%. And today, the company is also one of the top gainers on the Bursa. Out of 22 analysts, 17 have a buy recommendation on the company, 5 say hold, and none say sell. We also spoke to Lim Wee Chai, the company's chairman and founder today, and he said that the strong US dollar was a bonus to their performance, but they will need to keep their focus on more important factors in order to sustain the company's growth. Here's more of what he had to say.
More important is internal factors, which we think that will sustain our growth. So very important that we must continue to improve our quality and cost efficiency. And of course, for the market itself, the demand is still good. The world demand growth about 5 to 6% growth every year. So Top Glove export to 200 countries. We have a capacity of about 45 billion pieces glove a year, and we will continue to grow, and we are expanding our capacity, production capacity every year. We build 1 or 2 factories.